Hello friends, we are going to clean the nozzle of EPSON printer. First we will click on start, then device and printers. Sorry friends, I have slow PC, so it's taking time. Now select the printer. I have EPSON L220. Right click on that and select printing references, and then go to maintenance, and at there you can do 4 things. Now click on head cleaning, and then click start. And now you must start the printer and put a paper on it, because after complete that it will print a paper to show you that it has cleared all the problems, and a nozzle check printer statement will print on the paper. It will take some time. Friends, it will take around 5 minutes, depending on your PC and printer. After click that, friends, please wait. Friends, this is completed, and now you can print nozzle check pattern. It will print on your printer, and I am going to show you the paper where I have printed the print nozzle check pattern. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and never forget to press the bell icon.